Hey, Shovelhead Fedge here in the Shovelhead Shed. And today is... Ew. I have no idea why there's socks in my pocket. Today's video is on a video, finally, Chopper Rod and myself went to Bradenton, Florida. We were able to find a twin cam B motor, which is a special motor for that Deuce that he has. It's been a pain in the butt to try to find it. We've searched high and low, and we were able to find the motor. Went down there and picked it up. So that's what the video is about just going down and picking it up. Just two guys, man, hanging out, having a good time. October's here. October is going to be so busy. November is going to be so busy. December, I mean, for the next few months, it is going to be busy. There's so many shows, so many events, so many biker parties. There is so much going on, especially now. As I said before, Florida has a 12-month out of the year riding season, but during the fall months, winter months is when the northern bikers come down and stuff like that. Bigger parties and stuff like that, and a lot more parties. We got Biketoberfest coming up. We've got, for us, the Arcadia Bike Fest coming up. We've got the Fallen Angels coming up. We've got, of course, regular bike week. Roosters, of course, Herbs, Limestone Country Store. There's so many events coming up. Bert is having a bunch of events. Twisted Fork. It just looks like, you know, especially for the last few years, the way that things have been, and then Florida is basically an open state. And a lot of people are coming down to Florida, or they're staying a long time, and they're coming down here to party and ride bikes and enjoy themselves. And it's like a bunch of chickens that's been let out of the coop, you know. So it's going to be a busy year, which is good for me. Of course, it's good for content and stuff like that. I decided that that little bit of time that I took off and all that, I'm happy I did. I decided I'm going to try to at least put out 3 videos a week, maybe 4, maybe 5. I don't know. I just have a lot of content, and it's all backing up, and it really needs to get out. So I thank you for watching. I thank you for sharing. As I said before, man, I am so close to 10,000 subscribers, and I just want to get to that 10,000 right now. That's a goal. And the only way I can do it is with your guys' help. If you'll share my stuff on your social media. I know guys my age, we're really not that good with computers and social media and stuff like that. So that is a disadvantage that I have. But you know, if you can, share it on your Instagram or your Facebook or whatever. If you want to see more content like this, I do appreciate all the support. I appreciate all the comments. Thank you very much for watching my stuff, for commenting, liking and sharing, and all the other good stuff anyway. It's not a very long video, but pretty soon Chopper Rod will get that thing running, and he'll be finished, and he'll be riding that thing, and he won't have to ride that bobber of his anymore. So anyway, thank you. Enjoy the season coming up, and enjoy this video. And peace. And all this time, Roscoe's been just yapping up a storm. He hasn't said a word. It's quiet today. All right, peace.
An American man attempting...
When we have it installed?
Hmm?
When we have it installed?
Let's give it tomorrow afternoon.
When?
Tomorrow afternoon.
Okay. I can't stand that woman. I think she's as fake can be. Look, I want to like everyone, but there's just some people I don't like.